Hey, Doc Martinez here, and please excuse the mess behind me. We have a little bit of construction going on, and we are trying to get ready for the holidays. Well, this week is very special. I finally hit 222 subs. Now, this is super exciting to me because it happens to be my favorite number. So I have decided this would be an excellent opportunity to do my first ever giveaway. I've never done a giveaway before, but I wanted to make this first one special. So the winner will have a chance to win one of these bottles, an E.H. Taylor small batch, Blanton's original single barrel, or an Eagle Rare. So you're probably wondering, how can you have an opportunity to win? Well, that is simple, and of course there is no purchase necessary. To be eligible, you must be at least 21 years of age, live within the continental US. Now the rules are simple. You must be a subscriber to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below on these two things. A, why do you think 222 is my favorite number? B, if you won, which bottle would you pick? All of this must be done within 1 week of posting this video. The winner will be randomly drawn 7 days after the posting of this video. The winner will be notified via the reply to their comment on those answers above. Now, I will post the official rules in the description below. And since this is my first giveaway, I'm sure I missed a few things, but no matter what, I am excited to reach 222 subs. I'm also excited to have my first giveaway. I want to thank each and every one of you who have been there and supported me. I would also like to thank my wife and family. And I would like to give a big shout out to US Liquor Store for always helping me find the bottles I am looking for. Now, they did not sponsor the giveaway, but they did help me find these bottles. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, and watch the next video. Good luck to all of you out there, and cheers.